Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today the video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to make a simple robot on Paint 3D. So let's start the new project. First, I need to set the size of my canvas. For that, you have to go to the top and click on canvas option here. Then you can see that there are small squares to change the size for the canvas on the sides. I will be using this on my right hand side, the middle square. I will click it and drag it in the middle so that it will become smaller in width and bigger in height. So this is the size that I want. Once I am done with my size, then we have to go to 2D shapes and let's start our robot. We all need here is 2D shapes and brushes. So what you have to do when you go to 2D shapes, you will see that there is on your left hand side too many shapes that you can see. Now for our robot, I will be using square. Just click on the square, go to your canvas and make a face for your robot. It will be like a rectangle. Once you are done, just press the tick button. After that, click on the square again. Then make a thin neck under the face and put the neck. Place it in the middle of the face, like in the middle of the line where the face is ending. So, yeah, that's fine. Once you are done with your neck, you have to press the tick button. Okay, I need another square. So go there, select a square and make a body that is going to be a little bigger than the face. So let's make it like this. And if you feel like the shape is not in the correct position, so go in the middle of the shape and you can place it anywhere. I'm going to place it in the middle like this, middle of the neck. Okay, once I am done, then I will just quickly make it a little smaller from down. Like this one is fine because I have to make the legs as well. Press the tick button. Once you are done, then let's go for the legs. Use the square again and then make the thin legs and place the legs at the little top here. Press the tick button. It is saved. Another square, make another leg like this, thin, but it must be just same as the one we have already made. Two legs are done and press the tick button once you are done. Okay, here we go. Now it's time to make the feet. I will take another square and make the feet like this. It's up to you how you want the feet. It's fine for me like this. Take another square and make another feet here. Small feet just like the previous one and put it at the right place in the second leg. Once you are all set with the body, now it's time for the hands. For hands, I'm going to use the simple line. I will select the line. I will make the simple line here. Not too much outside, just this one. And then I will make the arm like this down. Okay. If you are done, just press the tick button. Another line I will make on the other side to make the second arm. Like this, a small one. Then press the tick button. Then you have to select the line again and then make the arm. Okay. Keep the length same for both the arms. Okay. Once you are done, just press the tick button. Okay, here we go. The robot is all set. I am going to make a signal kind of line at the top of his head. So make a small line like this. And then we will put a circle to show the signal. Okay, place it in the middle of the head at the top. Now I'm going to use some circles. So for that, not actually the shapes, I will use the brushes this time. So you can go to the brush, select the marker, and the width needs to be a little bigger. You can keep it 12. See, it's 12 pixel. Now the color will be black. Choose the color from down here and then make two eyes. One, just click and make the eyes. If you think that the eyes looks a little smaller, then go back and increase the thickness. This is the thickness bar on your left hand side that specifies the thickness of your marker. Keep the color black and put it at the same place. Now the eyes looks fine. It looks a little bigger. Okay, and if you think that there is some mistake done by you, then you can press the undo button. So we will quickly press the undo button, erase the eyes and draw it again. One and then two. So the eyes are drawn and now it's time to make the smile on the face. So go to 2D shapes again. This time I'm using the curve, not the straight line. So use the curve, make the shape like this, but this looks sad. How you can make it happy? If you see that when you have made this shape, then there comes a rotate and flip options here. So we will rotate it 2 times and then it becomes happy. Put this shape a little down, not like this, just undo it and make it again like this, and then rotate comes on your left side, make it right side, make it 2 times like this. Okay, here is the face of your robot. Now one circle I need at the top. Go to brushes, use the same marker, put one dot at the top like this, and if you want hands, then one hand here and one hand here. So this is my robot. Now I will design something inside of the body. For that I can use another square. Put a square here to make the screen of your robot, and I will be making some buttons here. For that you have to go to brushes again, and then you can use the different colors this time. Let's make the signal colors. One is red. Put a red dot. Then select a yellow color. Put a red yellow dot here. And then third one is green. So put a green dot here. Like this, the robot buttons are all set. This is a screen, so we're gonna change the color. In order to do the coloring in your robot, you have to go and select this option from your brushes. This is called the fill option. We click here, we can change it, we can select any of the colors, and then we can put the pointer where you want to color. I want to color in this screen that I just made inside the body. I selected the light blue color. I will just quickly click on in here and it will be done. Look at this. Now let's do the color in the body. For that I want something like orange or something like this. And then if you can do it, if you want to do it here, just click anywhere inside the body and see how beautiful the robot looks like. Then you have to change the color of the face. Let's make it a little peach. And then the neck, and let's do something red color for the feet, and finally there is a light color on the legs. Not like this, undo it and then put this color in the leg. So the robot is all set. If you like the robot, then you must make it. It is very simple to make on Paint 3D. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.